Osun State Police Command and the Osun State Government have traded accusations over the arrest and detention of Abiodun Adegoke Apisan, an aide to the State Governor Ademola Adeleke. This is as the state government have also questioned the State Police Command about procedure, professionalism, and adherence to due process. The police spoke in a statement issued by Ibrahim Gotan, the Commissioner of Police, and signed by ASP Gov Adeleke Emmanuel, the Command Deputy Police Public Relations Officer, in response to an earlier statement by Olawale Rashid, Governor Adeleke's spokesperson. It said the arrest of Apisan followed a formal petition arising from a malicious and damaging publication allegedly made on December 27, 2025, against a prominent son of the state. According to the command, investigations commenced immediately after the petition was received. Mr. Apisan was invited but went into hiding, while his alleged accomplice, Mr. Ayola Mansuru, was apprehended. The police stated that through diligent intelligence analysis, Mr. Apisan was eventually arrested on January 7, 2026, and he allegedly confessed during interrogation and pleaded for leniency. The command, which disclosed that both suspects were charged at the Federal High Court, Osogbo, on January 9, 2026, insisted that the matter was a criminal investigation and not politically motivated. The command maintains that these actions are purely criminal investigations and are not politically motivated or targeted at any political party or its affiliates, the statement said. It added that the command, under Commissioner of Police Ibrahim Gotan, remains committed to professionalism, impartiality, and the protection of human rights. However, in a reaction signed by the Osun State Commissioner for Information and Public Enlightenment, Kolapo Alimi, on Wednesday, the Osun State government challenged the police narrative, accusing the command of unlawful arrest, detention, and inconsistency. The government, which said it was deeply troubling that the police allegedly issued a statement, deleted it, and replaced it with a revised version, described the action as evidence of inconsistency, incoherence, and lack of professionalism. The state government disputed the police claim that the petition was submitted by the alleged victim, adding the petition shown to council was written by the APC chairman of Irewol local government, Eremiah Aide. According to the government, the police were challenged to explain why they publicly claimed that another individual submitted the petition when, it said, documentary evidence suggested otherwise. The government also rejected the assertion that the suspects were invited, stating that, at no time were Mr. Adegoke or Mr. Mansuru invited by the police but were instead arrested without prior notice. It added that Apisan was arrested on January 7, 2026, at his mechanic workshop, which the police later described as his hideout. The Osun government denied the claim that Apisan confessed or pleaded for leniency and challenged the police to produce credible evidence to support the allegation. On the issue of detention, the government said, Mr. Apisan was held from January 7 until late January 12, 2026. The detention is unlawful and it is a non-capital offense. It also questioned the police claim that he was arraigned on January 9, and asked why administrative bail was granted on the night of January 12 if the arraignment had already taken place. The government said counsel to Osun applied for administrative bail on January 8, 2026, and followed up with a reminder letter on January 12 after no response. Citing provisions of the Administration of Criminal Justice Act and the Police Act, the government said, suspects in non-capital offenses should be released on bail if arraignment is not practicable within 24 hours. The Osun State Police Command owes the public an explanation and accountability for this grave abuse of power. Quote,